I'm going to be teaching you how to make paper combat knives. So here are some designs that I've been making. This is sharp and this is pointy. We're going to start with the case, the handle, and the grip. The designs will be at the end. So the first things are you're going to need paper and scissors. And yeah, tape. So first thing, you're going to have to be rolling it up. Roll it up, not too big. Put it at least here. Oh gosh, messed up. Sorry. About 2 fingers wide, so I need to make one a little bit. 2 fingers wide or 2 pencils wide. Then you need to get any kind of tape, scotch. What I'm using right now is the only tape I have. It's electric tape. Get it about, you need about 3 pieces. So I make it long, cut it in 3 pieces. So you need a 1, 2, and 3 for that. So about 3 pieces, one's little, it doesn't matter. Okay, so you tape, you first tape the top, then you tape the middle, then you tape the last part. Doesn't matter if it's small or big, it works. Okay, so I have it. Alright, now you gotta use your scissors. You need to at least cut right about this big. Just cut right there, right below the middle part. And then we'll be using this later. So this will probably be our handle bar. But let's get started on the rest. Alright, so the second thing you need to be doing is make it not too big, about 2 fingers, 3 fingers long, how long you want to make it. This is the knife part, like right here. It is kind of puffy, but it doesn't matter. So you have to follow the lines. You can do it fast if you want. I'll be doing it fast. Takes time. Okay, finally I have it done. Make sure all you crease it. Okay, now what you need, I'm gonna put my sleeves up. Now what you need is, okay, I gotta find it. Okay, now what you need is 3 pieces of tape, just like our tubes. Oh, okay. Cut that, okay. So you need to cut 1 and, okay, let's take that off, I don't want to ruin it. 2, okay. So you got 3 pieces, tape them, alright, middle, try to find the middle. Oh gosh, what was that? Doesn't matter if they have a bump in it. Okay, so you have your knife. Let's just throw that to the side right now. What we'll be making is another 2. If you have another paper, well, you're going to need half or less than half of a paper. You just roll it up. It doesn't have to be too big, but what I'm going to be doing is folding it in half. If you have a small one, and just, you don't need, well, you can if you want to tape it, but I'll just leave a crease in it, put it on top of the tape. Alright, so now we're going to get started on your handlebar. If you want to start in it, it should be the size of your hands, or you can make one a little bit bigger, but I'm going to make one the size of my hand. I'll use this one. Alright, so you get your knife, and if it's not big enough, don't worry about that. You could just bend it. It doesn't matter about the bottom of the knife, it matters about the top. So just bend it if it doesn't fit. Yours should be looking like this. Nice. Okay. Alright, so we have 2 designs of knives. We have the pointy and the sharp. This video I'll be using the pointy. It's not too sharp, but the sharp is. So get your knives, whatever you have. Wait, I need to cut mine a little bit shorter. Right there, okay. You need about right there. And right there. Okay. So now you have your knife. So this is really easy, but I'll be showing you the rest of how to like cover it up and get it. I'm not going to be showing designs, but I'm going to be showing how to cover it up. So you need to get a lot of tape. Get that. Then you need at least 3-4 pieces. Okay. Or we'll just use these on the top here. And make them kind of long if you want. They don't have to be as long as mine, but they have to at least fit. Put them on the sides like this. Just push them back. It doesn't matter if they have the bumps because we're just going to put more tape over. Here, I got some tape over here. Okay. See, I told you the bumps are going to go away. So we got to get more. They have to be kind of long. See, like that one wasn't long enough, but this one is. Okay. So you have your bottom of the knife. It doesn't need to look black. It matters what kind of tape you're using. I'm using the black because the designs on it are awesome. Alright, so you have your bottom. Now let's work inside. You know it can just fall out real easy, or, well, it's not going to go through the back since we taped it. But, okay. What we're going to need is this. You need your paper. Push in the middle. At least make it like this size. And you can shove it in here. Make it a little big. And shove it in here. And if you have a little bit more, here, let me mark that. You mark it and just cut the rest off. Then you have your one part of your knife. Now we're going to go back to the medium-sized one. Fold that like this, just like we did to the other one. We're going to push it down, and we need to cut it. Okay, so we need to cut it a little bit more. And there you go. Now we're going to have to tape the ends. It takes a little time and a little practice, but you'll get it. It's kind of a hard thing. What you need tape is your knife. What you can do is if you use see-through tape, it'll be a lot easier, so you can like do things over it. But I'm using black tape. Tape it on the side of the knife. Doesn't matter. Then tape it right here on the side, and then put it on the handle. Then push down. Now we'll do that on the other side. I'll do it a little faster. I'll just use my tape right here. Get tape. Okay. Now I can use the tape from a little while ago. And there's your knife. This is my second YouTube video, so I'm sorry about the lighting or anything that's a problem with it. But see you next time.